Hi, I'm Linda Johnson with Remax Results, and today I'd like to show you 802 12th Street in Cloquet, just down the road from Doddridge Avenue and directly across from Washington Elementary School, a Minnesota School of Excellence. Let me show you. This spacious two-bedroom ranch was originally built in 1955. The lot is 65 wide by 100 deep. There is new siding, smart siding, just about 2.5 years ago, and the roof is literally brand new, just a month and a half ago. From the side, there's off-street parking, single car wide for, I'd say, probably 3 cars deep. And there's the school. And a view on the back, a large 8 by 18 foot deck, half of it under roof cover. Cute little backyard. An older shed for good storage. And in we go. Coming in the front door, you enter into the living room and dining room. I have to get one of those gimbals to hold my phone more steady. I'll do my best. Bear with me. Little formal dining spot. Into the kitchen. And again, the interior does need updating throughout, but you have your good bones, some big ticket items, brand new. And again, this is a ranch. Everything's on one floor. A large full bath. Linen. Very large master. And second bedroom, also generous in size. And down here, there's lots of potential. Block basement, Williamson furnace, 50-gallon water heater, washer and dryer will stay. There is a 100-amp breaker panel, and on the other side of the water heater, there's a second 100-amp breaker panel that was put in when in-floor heat went in to service the 2 bedrooms. That chimney is no longer in use. Simple little half bath behind that door. The antique work table, we were told, is valued somewhere in the neighborhood of $1,100. That'll stay with the home. There's a boiler for the in-floor heat that services the 2 bedrooms upstairs. And all of this. And there you have it.